Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will going to talk about this look that I have. So without talking much, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you all have subscribed to my channel, and next to that there is a bell icon, so do press it out so that you will be notified every time I upload any video on my channel. So चलिए ज़्यादा टाइम ना वेस्ट करते हुए देख लेते हैं इस लुक को कैसे क्रिएट करना है. Okay guys, so this is me. Of course I have nothing on my face as of now, and first मैं शुरू करूँगी अपनी eyebrows से. So उसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये मिस क्लेयर का अल्ट्रा ग्लो आई शेडो पैलेट. सो इस पैलेट में से मैं ये डार्क ब्राउन शेड यूज़ करूँगी जो कि कॉर्नर साइड पे है, दिस वन. सो इस शेड की हेल्प से मैं अपनी आईब्रोज़ को डिफ़ाइन कर लूँगी. सो यस, मैं अपनी आईब्रोज़ को थोड़ा बहुत फिल इन कर रही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ, सो दैट इट विल गोइंग टू लुक नेचुरल ऑन माई स्किन. एंड नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग दिस Maybelline कंसीलर इन द शेड 25 मीडियम. इससे मैं क्या करूँगी, जो मैंने आईब्रोज अपनी डिफ़ाइन की है उसको थोड़ा सा डायमेंशन दूँगी. सो एज यू कैन सी आई एम गोना डिफ़ाइन इट सो दैट ये थोड़ा सा पुट टुगेदर लगेंगी. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई एम गोना कवर माई आईलिड्स ऑल्सो, ताकि मैं जो भी आई शेडोज़ यूज़ करूँगी उसके जो कलर्स होंगे, उसका जो पिगमेंट होगा वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा उभर के आएगा. सो यू विल सी इट नाउ. So first I'm gonna just define my eyebrows with the help of this concealer. And मैंने concealer की help से I have covered my entire eyelid. And next I'll be using this wet beauty blender and I'll just blend the entire concealer thing that I have applied on my eyelids. So you will going to see that my eye area will be like a kind of a highlighted once I'll blend it properly, and whatever eyebrows I have done उसको थोड़ा सा dimension आपको मिल जाएगा. So this is how it looks. Next I'll be using this Fit Me compact and I'm gonna just set my concealer that I have applied. By the way, this is in the shade 220 Sun Beige and this is again from Maybelline. Next I'll be using this shade from same Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, and मैं ये flat brush की help से I'm gonna put that brown color on my entire eyelid. So this is how you have to apply. And as of now guys, I'm just placing this brown shade on my lids. So this is how you have to just place the color only. Next we will going to smudge out the edges and everything. So you can just put the color intensity as you want, that is up to you. And after that my eye is looking like this. Next I'll be taking this shade from same eyeshadow palette and इस shade की help से मैं अपने इस brown shade की edges को blend कर लूँगी. Basically this color is going into the crease of your eyes. So कि जो harsh edges होंगी आपके first color की वो blend out हो जाएंगी with the help of second color. So basically आपको क्रीज तक ही रहना है, उसके नीचे नहीं जाना, बिकॉज अगर उसके नीचे जाएंगे तो जो इंटेंसिटी आपने क्रिएट करी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट ब्राउन शेड वो भी आपकी लाइट हो जाएगी, बट हमें इस लुक के लिए ज़्यादा चाहिए. नेक्स्ट आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस शेड एंड अगेन आई विल बी ब्लेंडिंग द एजेस ऑफ द सेकेंड कलर दैट आई हैव अप्लाइड, ताकि जो भी हमने कलर्स अप्लाई किए हैं वो सब पूरी तरह से ब्लेंडेड लगे. So that is what I'm doing right now. So once I'll be happy with the intensity of the color, I'll stop then and there. And this is how it looks right now. Next I'll be taking this color from this same palette, and again I'll just apply it on the third shade. Basically I'm just blending out the edges so that every color will look seamless. So this is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. Next मैं सेम पैलेट में से वो सारे शेड्स दोबारा से लूँगी और अपनी लोअर आईज पे लगाऊंगी सारे शेड्स, because I'm not going to use any kajal with it. Next I'll be taking this brown shade again, the very first one, और मैं थोड़ा सा eyelid वाले कलर्स को थोड़ा सा और इंटेंसिफाई करूँगी क्योंकि हम स्मोकी आइज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. सो अगेन यू शुड नीड दैट स्मोकी इफेक्ट ऑन योर आइज. So yes, that is how I'm just building up the intensity of that color, and once I'm done I'm again gonna blend it so that जो भी उसके edges हैं that will be blended out. So this is how the color looks like. And next I'm gonna take this shimmery shade. This is more like a coppery shimmery shade, you can say, and basically you can choose any shimmer shade as per your liking. So I'm just trying to apply that particular color with the help of my finger, because जो shimmer का जो effect आता है, I think that is wonderful with the help of finger. Now I'm gonna take this brush and I'll just intensify the color, और जहाँ जहाँ पे I couldn't apply it with the help of finger, I'm gonna apply it with the help of this brush. So yes, this is what I'm doing right now, and this is how my one eye looks. And next I'm gonna take that brown shade again, and मैं shimmer और brown shade के बीच में जो edges हैं उसको थोड़ा सा diffuse कर रही हूँ ताकि वो harsh ना लगे, and that will going to look put together. Next I'm gonna take this different shimmer shade, और मैं इस shade को अपने inner corner पे apply करूँगी. Next I'll just do my second eye, and this is how it looks right now. Good, right? Alright, next हम बात करेंगे फाउंडेशन की. So हमारा आई मेकअप हो चुका है. अब I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and with the help of the beauty blender I'm gonna apply this foundation on my face. And let me tell you guys, this foundation is so amazing. This is full coverage foundation, guys. So if you love applying foundation and those are full coverage, you should go for this one. This is one of the affordable foundation that we have from Maybelline. By the way, the shade that I'm using is 220. So yes, this is how it looks. So with this particular foundation, I think you don't need to build it up, because एक पम्प इज़ मोर देन इनफ. आई थिंक मैंने एक पम्प ही लिया था और मेरा पूरा फेस अच्छे से कवर हो गया है. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस Maybelline Fit Me कंसीलर, जो कि मैंने शुरू में यूज़ किया था. दैट इज़ अगेन 25 मीडियम शेड. सो इसे मैं अपने अंडर आइज डार्क सर्कल्स को थोड़ा सा कवर करूँगी, एंड जो एरियाज़ मुझे हाईलाइट करने हैं, with the help of the same concealer I'm gonna highlight those areas. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just blending out the concealer that I have applied, and yes, this is how I blended the entire concealer. And next I'm gonna take this compact from Maybelline in the shade 220 Sun Beige, and with the help of this powder I'm gonna set my entire face. So जहाँ जहाँ पे भी मैंने concealer apply किया था, guys, that is very important to set your base, otherwise that will not going to stay for longer period of time. So this is again very important thing that I'm doing right now. So I'm just setting my face with the help of this powder. And next I'll be using this bronzer from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna give some dimension to my face. मैं थोड़ा सा अपने डबल चिन को कवर करूँगी, थोड़ा सा अपने चीक बोन्स को हाईलाइट करूँगी. So yes, that is what I'm doing. Next I'll be just using this LA Girl setting spray, and I'm gonna set my entire face with the help of it. So guys, today I'm not gonna use any blush. So after applying this setting spray, I'm gonna set it with the help of same beauty blender. Alright, next I'll be using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 15. This is more of like a pinky nude sort of a color. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just applying this lip shade, and you will going to love this lip shade, guys. Look at the color. Lovely, right? So next I'll be using this Swiss Beauty highlighter brick. This is one of the good highlighters, guys. You will going to see the pigment. Look at this. So I'm just directly applying it with the help of my fingers, and this is how it looks. And I'm gonna apply it on my cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, under my brows, just to give that, you know, highlighting effect. So yes, this is how my face looks like after that. And yes guys, this is how it turned out. Isn't it beautiful? I personally liked it so much. This looks amazing on my face. So I hope guys you also liked this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a like. Do share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching guys. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.